Hello foodies. Welcome back to our channel, where we dig into the most delicious and interesting culinary stories from around the world. Today, we are talking about a fan favorite, the Caesar salad. But not just any Caesar salad, an Italian Caesar salad. And trust me, there's more to it than you think. You might be surprised to know that despite its Italian-sounding name, the Caesar salad was actually invented in Mexico. Yeah, you heard it right. It was created by an Italian immigrant named Cesar Cardini who was running a restaurant in Tijuana, Mexico, during the 1920s. Over a busy 4th of July weekend, his kitchen ran short on food, and out of necessity, he threw together what ingredients he had, and thus, the Caesar salad was born. Interestingly, the original recipe didn't include anchovies, a common ingredient you find in many Caesar dressings today. Instead, it used Worcestershire sauce, which already has a subtle fishy flavor due to the anchovies in it. But, for our Italian version, we're going traditional and using anchovies for that authentic Mediterranean touch. One thing that makes a Caesar salad truly Italian is the use of high-quality Parmigiano Reggiano. It's the king of cheeses, and its rich, savory, nutty flavor lifts the whole dish. It's believed that in the early days, the Caesar salad was served with whole lettuce leaves and was meant to be eaten with the fingers. Can you imagine? And there you have it, the Italian Caesar salad. Rich in flavor, steeped in history, and absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. It's a symphony of flavors. Try it at home and let us know what you think. And that's it for today's episode, folks. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more such interesting food stories. Until next time, stay hungry.